Hi everybody, I am yet again back with another resin video. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show off my haul. First of all, I spent fucking $15 on this stupid little blind box, but look how cute it is. It's a little piece of bread. Anyways, that aside, I am going to show you my haul that I got from Aliexpress. All of these molds are from the same store. I believe they're called Chai Store. This one is one of my bigger purchases from them that was around like $45 or so. I'll show you some of the things that I got and then I think I'm gonna make one of them today. So there's a couple of things in here, most of which are just shaker molds. I bought two that are also like trinket dishes, like container molds. One of which is going to be this one. This one is kind of the, you know when you eat ramen and you get those like, I don't know what it's called, but it's like, it looks like a flour. Another one that I bought, which is very on brand for me, is an onigiri one. This is what it looks like. It's fairly simple. I thought it'd be a little bit higher, but regardless, I'm quite happy with this too. I'm excited to try this one. Whatever the name is.
Narutomaki.
Every time you eat ramen, it's that thing in the ramen. So with that being said, I'm kind of excited to use these molds because I have not used one before and I like that they're so small. Something that people might not know about me is that I love novelty food items like Exhibit A. Like I love things that look like food. I have 1,000 products that look like food. Like look at this. It's a pineapple, but it's actually like a multiple USB thingy. So that's why I bought those. So this one is kind of like a space theme heart shaker, like a universe shaker. I think it is quite pretty, so I would like to see how it turns out. Oh wow, that sunlight is really doing us wonders. Next thing I got, which is pretty simple, is just like a cloud circle resin shaker. Nothing too special about it. It's literally just a cloud in a circle. I bought this fish resin shaker. I don't know why, for some reason I'm just like obsessed with fish resin shit. I don't know why, I just think it's a very pretty concept, so therefore I bought it. These last ones are not so much shakers as they are kind of resin decor. These are kind of like photo frames. One of them is like a pudding shape and the other one is like a melon shape. There's like hair on the molds, man. Like that's what I mean. No offense to like Chai Store or anything, but it's just like a commonality between like AliExpress resin shops. Those are that. And then the last two I have are kind of special, I guess. It's more like a resin tag maybe. So I've seen somebody use this waffle one to make like a waffle sandwich. Either you can like stick this on to like one of these, like as decor at the back, which I've seen people do, or you can just use it as a standalone keychain. I don't know. The next one is like the same thing, but it's just a cross this time. If you ask me what it's for, I don't really know, but ultimately it's cute. So that was my haul. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed it. I want to try making one of them, probably this one. I just want to see like how the shit comes out. So this one is going to be the container that I'm going to be making today. It looks fairly simple and straightforward, but I'm also in the midst of trying to make this like origami cake that I've been struggling with. I just can't make the fucking strawberry. If somebody knows how to make it, please tell me. So now we're just gonna wait for that to cure. I'm scared that this is not enough resin to fill up the actual lid of it, but if it's not, I can just pour some UV resin over it, no big deal. So I'll see you in a couple hours. Good morning, everybody. It is now the morning after. I have just woken up, so excuse me for looking like absolute horseshit. So before I start demolding, I have to be honest and let you know that I already demolded it. The only reason I did so was because I had a feeling that it was not going to turn out the way I wanted to, and I thought it would be cute to actually make one of these for my friend who I'm meeting up today for her birthday party. And so I have actually poured in a new one, but I'll show you the old one here and what was wrong with it. This is what it looks like. Like I said yesterday, I was worried that if I didn't fill the lid all the way to the top, it would not fit properly, and I was right. The lip is supposed to be completely full, and if you look at it, there's like a divot there because I didn't fill it completely, and there's a lot of like irregularities with the bottom. I'm not too sure if it can be seen. So certainly this was not something that I wanted to gift anybody, so I'm gonna keep this for myself. The second one that I have made instead for my friend today is actually gonna be clear. Before I even demold it, first of all, something fucking flew into it last night. You see there's like that black mark there. It's so cute, it's so pretty. Unfortunately, it's not perfect. I wish that it was, but my products rarely come out the way I expect it to. I'm still gonna wait for it to fully cure because it's just gonna take a little bit more time. But otherwise, it still fits. That's all that matters. And I think this would be a cute little trinket dish for like rings or anything, if she wears rings or anything. This is kind of like the before and after of it, I guess. This one doesn't even close properly. So let me know which one you think is prettier. I personally think it's this one. This was another resin episode about how I make resin. I feel like it was very boring. Next time, I think I'm gonna do an origami episode. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Thank you, bye-bye.